When we first met, we met dyan sa States kasi concert niya. Wow. Concert niya, ako lang yung guest. Kami, Jonalyn Viray. We were her guests. And since a lot of the songs that I was singing was Chris Brown songs, her and her team started calling me Brown. Chris Brown, also because my color was brown. So yun, that's where I came from. But Mr. B is not Mr. Brown, okay? Klaro ko lang. Hindi siya Mr. Brown. Kamukha ko ba si Katie ngayon? It's not Mr. Baum. Mr. Be. It's not Mr. Be. It's not Mr. Brown. Hindi siya Mr. B. We got back yesterday. Nauna sila sa flight. Actually, same flight kasi kami. Hindi namin alam bakit may nag-email sa kanila. Siyempre, Team Cat yun and Team KL. When we're together, we're Team KKK. Right? So, of course, I booked my team's tickets. She booked her team's tickets. And for some reason, when... for some reason, I think it was April 4, mga April 3 or 4, nakatanggap sila ng email na they bumped their, no, it's not Mr. Bear. They bumped their flights to 1 p.m. Kasi kami, all of our flights dapat 6:40. So, nauna sila, kaya nauna sila. And it worked out. Actually, it's crazy. Parang, everything is aligning. The universe is doing its thing. And the reason I say this is because na-bump yung flights nila. Tapos nung na-bump yung flights nila, biglang nagkaroon ng taping si Kat. So, yung taping ni Chiki, the day she returned. That's why when she came back, nakahabol pa siya sa taping. So, it was a blessing in disguise yung nangyari. It was perfect timing yung nangyari. Na-move yung flight niya, nakapasok pa siya sa taping. Kasi wala talaga siyang taping nun. Wala talaga siyang taping nun. Sorry, dumigay ako. No, B is not for baby. Keep guessing, guys. Keep guessing. Bakit di po kayo magkasama? Hindi kami magkasama ngayon. Nasa salon siya, nasa salon din ako. Kasi bukas may guesting kami kay Tito Boy. Mr. Bagal ka dyan. Bagal ba? Pero that's what I said. One step at a time. Okay, hindi naman kailangan madaliin lahat. Important decisions, you take your time. It's Lawrence Brown because kayong mangking colors. Nakakatawa nga kahapon kasi when we were on the boat, mukha akong bangkero dahil sa sunog ko. Pantay na yung kulay ko sa mga bangkero. B is for Mr. Best Dad. Oh, I like that one. I wish it was that, but it's not. But thank you. Mr. Bomb. Daming nagsabi nun, pero hindi din yan. Yeah. Actually, nakabahan ako sa Tito Boy bukas eh. Okay, mga tatanungin niya. Kinakabahan ako. Inip na po kaming lahat. Bakit kayong inip? Ano bang Sige nga, who said that? Zin. Ba't kayo naiinip? Only fools rush in. O, diba? NNRC. Yeah. Gusto lang namin good vibes. Happy. We want everything. May nagtanong ng question dyan. Yes. Baby yan, di pa Pops? No, hindi siya babe, okay? Ito. Mag-sponsor na daw sa kasal. Nox! Shoutout kay Ma'am Malu, Lola Zenny, Kuya Ian, Iwa, yung mga family ni Kat. Sobrang asikaso sila. Nakakataba ng puso kasi they really treat me and my team like family. Lalo na si Lola Zenny. Alam mo si Lola Zenny, paggising ko, she already cut my fruits. Tas tinabihan pa niya ako ng fruits ko kasi alam niya hindi ako kumakain ng karne. So talagang meron akong special na plate, puro fruits lang. So, nakakataba ng puso. It feels good pag sobrang inaalagaan ka ng ganon. Umagay yung kulay ko sa skin tone ko kasi sunog ako ngayon eh. No, free dyan, May 9, may concert si Nina. Tanungin ko si Chiki and si Katie kung gusto nila manood. Try ko silang dalhin. Kung walang taping si Chiki,